in the kitchen with Chef Ricardo cooking show. It's amazing to be in the kitchen. We was talking about garlic. You know what I mean? Garlic is good for your stomach, good for your system, good for, you know what I mean? Especially it's coming up to winter. You know what I mean? The weather gonna be changing. You're gonna get cold. You know what I mean? A lot of people gonna catching cold and flu. So, you know what I mean? Eat like a clove of garlic every other day or even one time for the week is really good for you. Because a lot of people doesn't like the scent of garlic in their mouth, especially if someone want to talk to them, you know, they want to say their mouth smell with garlic. But I'm just introducing you to garlic to tell you that garlic have a lot of benefits and it's good for your stomach. Garlic is not only just for cooking and do things at home. You can also make garlic tea. You can make some garlic water. Remember I did that video with garlic water. It's just brilliant. We get over 1 million views over that video. So you must know exactly what I'm talking about when it comes to garlic. And I was showing to my fans earlier inside of the video saying, you know what I mean, there's so many ways you can do with garlic. You can grate it and you can have it a older garlic, but I would introduce it to my fans and to say, don't go older because garlic is very strong. You know what I mean? Not everyone can handle garlic. You know what I mean? I know I love my garlic, but sometimes, to be honest, it's very strong. So what I did, I just grated this piece right here, this old clove of garlic, put it with some honey, and this is the way how I do it. And it's really nice. I like it with the honey. It's really, really nice. So basically it goes really well with the honey. Alright? So I want to just introduce you to garlic. So basically if you cut it up a little bit finer or you grate it, it's much better for you guys. Alright? Hopefully you will find this interesting, and remember, you can have garlic every other day or one time for the week. You know what I mean? It's good. It's do help fight a lot of things inside of your system. And you know what I mean? When you go inside of you feel like burning inside of your stomach. So it just brilliant. So enjoy the tips and ideas about garlic, and please subscribe to the channel. Give me that like, and also ask question or leave your comments, and also follow me on Instagram, Twitter and Facebook. We got a like page, and also there's a 50% on my cookbook on Amazon. Thank you so much for watching my show, guys. We got a lot more ideas, a lot more tips coming out, and a lot more things gonna come your way. Stay tuned. We love you, and this is from Chef Ricardo and the team. See you next time. Bye bye. Nice and lovely. Welcome back in the kitchen again with Chef Ricardo again and again. Always I talk about garlic. A lot of people love garlic and a lot of people doesn't like garlic. To be honest, these ingredients right here have a lot of benefit. The benefit way it have, I want to introduce you to say, guys, do a thing like this. Yeah. This is a clove of garlic right here. Remove the shell. Alright. Look at this. A simple little thing right here. Very strong, but it got a lot of benefit. Alright, guys. So basically what I want to simply say to you, either two ways you can do it. You can simple cut it up very finely. Like this. Alright. That's part one. Alright. And then put it right there. Get part two, another clove of garlic. Crush your garlic. Be careful. Don't use a knife. What I'm doing, you can use a table knife. Or also you can grate it right here. So basically what I'm going to do, I'm going to be grate it like this. If you have a smaller grater, it's even better. Alright, because this grater we have is too big. You need a smaller one. To grate it, alright? So basically I'm going to scrape out this, which I just grated. This is a just grater just now, but if you have a small grater, to be honest, it's better. Alright? And then next one is you can get a bigger garlic and grate the garlic, right? Much better. Some people just do their garlic like this. Alright? Some people do it like this. I'm not gonna say you must do it because garlic is very strong. Alright? That's where some people do more time with garlic. So just tips and ideas I'm gonna share with you where you can do at home. And also use a spoon then. So you do this one like this. Some people do it like this. And then what you do, they will get their honey. Let's do it right here. Some people do it just like this. This is how some people do it. Alright? So basically, if you eat 1 clove of garlic every day with honey, it's good for you. It fight against a lot of stuff inside of your system. Fight against cold, flu. You make you lose weight. You do so many things because garlic have so much benefit. So I just want to simply say to you, eat a clove of garlic every day if you can. But be careful because garlic do make your blood pressure go very low. You know what I mean? So you have to be careful with garlic. Unless you are affected with something or you want to eat some garlic, you know what I mean? This is where it come in really handy for you. But you know what I mean? If you can eat it every other day, even better. You don't have to eat it every day. You know what I mean? This is gonna be too much. But you can, you know what I mean? You can eat it every other else day or 1 time a week. It's very good. So this is another way, or you can have your garlic and honey. Fight against a lot of things in your body, guys. Honestly, why you don't give it a try? Why you don't give it a go? You know what I mean? Then another way, or you can do your garlic is cut it up very, very finely like this, and squeeze some honey like this on it. This is another way, or you can do it, or you can grate it and put your honey on it and eat it. So it's just some tips and ideas I'm gonna share with you what you can do with garlic at home. It's not only just cooking and cook it out in the pot and boil it in a soup and all these things garlic is for. Garlic good for you inside of your tummy, inside of your stomach. When the garlic burn you, it burn out a lot of things out of your body. Alright? So basically what I'm going to do now, this one I'm gonna put a little bit more honey on it. Basically, if you go to the shop and you're buying the honey, don't buy the honey we have sugar. Yeah, buy the original honey with just the original honey. That's the one you want to buy. You don't want to buy the one that have sugar in it. Alright, this one I'm going to be having this garlic, guys. And I'm telling you, it is amazing to know what you can do with garlic at home. Alright? So this one is for me to eat now, and I'm gonna show you exactly what I'm doing. Alright, let's put the camera right upon me because I want you guys to see exactly what I'm gonna do with this garlic. Because for me, a lot of people might have said Chef Ricardo is a fake, or Chef Ricardo saying the same thing, but it doesn't show what it's doing. So as I said before, there's many different kind of ways you can have garlic. You can cook garlic at home, you can, you know what I mean, you can do so many things with garlic. Garlic have a lot of benefit, garlic good for you, garlic cleanse you, and you will always see garlic come out in many different kind of form. There's so many people on earth been using garlic. You got a lot of benefit. So stay tuned. I'm gonna eat this one to show you exactly what Chef Ricardo is all about. And sometimes when you cut up the garlic, it's good for you to just leave it for about 5 or 6 minutes like this with the honey. Then you eat it after because garlic will burn you. Alright, so be careful. Don't just eat the garlic whole because Chef Ricardo say you must eat the garlic. Cut it up finely because it will burn you. Garlic is very strong, and it, you know what I mean, it's good for blood pressure also. You got a lot of benefit. Stay tuned as I show you how to eat your garlic.